Hi, Zachary. How are you doing today?
I feel great.
Okay. So I wanted to ask you, Zachary, prior to your surgery, how did you feel?
I've suffered with back pain for a really long time, like for 2.5 years, and I've gone to doctor after doctor and had injection after injection and tried this and tried that, and chiropractor and physical therapy and
your
everything.
pain, 1 out of 10, how was your pain?
Some days I could barely walk, and some days I was good enough to keep moving, but it was, on the worst days, it was pretty bad.
And what is your career, Zachary?
I ride and compete horses professionally at the Olympic level.
Oh, nice. Very nice. And so when was your surgery?
Tuesday night, not even 72 hours ago.
So we're talking about 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And how do you feel now, post-surgery?
I feel awesome. I feel great.
What are your symptoms now?
I have a little bit of pain, but I'm able to walk. I'm able to actually feel like I can walk better now than I could before the surgery, and I already feel better. It's amazing.
Amazing, great. I'm so glad you feel better. So would you recommend Dr. Rizavani?
150%.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Glad to see you doing well.
Thank you.